How to share BeReal on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to share a BeReal post on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up BeReal on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. BeReal is trending nowadays, and we post memories and photos on BeReal every day. So let's say you want to share one of your posts on your Snapchat. For that, you will have to click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and it will show you your memories. So you have to select the memory from a day which you want to share on Snapchat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of the memories that I have. Alright, so here we have the memory. You will just open up the one you want to share. And this is where you will get, and you can see now, because it is in memory, we have the share option available. We can share it on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can find all of the icons at the bottom. I'm gonna select Snapchat, and it will open up my Snapchat. Make sure to sign into your Snapchat account. It will fetch your reel automatically, decorate your snap, and send it to your friends. So now we have this, and you can see it also has this text available that I can actually get rid of if I want to, but it's like check my pictures on BeReal app, but I'm gonna delete this one and just add. You can also see it has the icon of BeReal and a direct link. If you want to remove the link, you can. Now you will decorate your snap. I'm just gonna add time maybe right here, and then we can add different stickers. Click on post and your new post will be added, which is your BeReal post on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.